Hello, my name is Vaishali, and today I'll be reviewing the film Binny and Family. Now, I saw the film yesterday, and I have to tell our viewers that it has a stellar cast of Pankaj Kapoor, Imani Shivpuri, and of course, there's Charu Shankar. Charu, we remember from Animal because she played the role of Ranbir Kapoor's mother in the film. And this is, of course, a roller coaster journey of two generations that come together and the differences they have and how they resolve them. This is absolutely a beautiful film that I saw yesterday. In fact, I want to share with our viewers that me, along with all the other audience members that were present there when we walked out of the theater, we all had our eyes, our eyes were moist. And we were so overwhelmed with emotion, and we all walked out with a smile on our faces. And it's just a very, very wonderful film, and the screenplay is brilliant. The story is great, and it's directed by the very talented Sanjay Tripathi. And I want to tell our viewers that he's done a great job. Now, we always think that if we have big banners and big actors, and then, the film, there's so much hype around it, there's so much marketing. And then there are films like Binny and Family, which are very, very simple, which are related to our day-to-day lives, our day-to-day relationships. And the film is just so entertaining. I mean, there's no hype around it, but it was absolutely a wonderful film. Now, it goes without saying, I don't have to praise Pankaj Kapoor because everybody knows he's a stalwart. And he was, of course, brilliant in the film. Though, of course, he's a Punjabi, but he's taken on the Bihari accent very, very well. Now, the plot of the film that I want to tell you about is that it revolves around this very, very catty, this very rebellious teenager who stays in London with her parents. And later on, of course, she is joined by her grandparents who come in from Bihar with a completely different set of ideas and way of life. And then there's something that happens in the film which completely changes this girl's perspective and completely alters the way she looks at life. And I'm not going to give you any spoilers because the film releases today, and I'd really like you to go and see it because this is a wonderful film which will leave a smile on your face. I mean, it tears you up, it makes you happy, it does all the good things right. Though I want to also talk about the fact that after the interval, the film does dip a little bit. It does become a little slow, but it just catches up soon after. So the actors have done a great job. Pankaj Kapoor, of course, I've told you, is wonderful. Charu is great. She was very, very different when she played Ranbir Kapoor's mother in Animal. And here, of course, she is very, very different, playing the girl's mother. But I do want to tell you, and I just feel that cinema transforms us in so many ways. Today when I woke up, usually I'm rushing to work. But I woke up and spent that extra time with my mother. I had tea with her, and this is what this film is going to do to you. It will make you value your relationships much more. The small things in life that we overlook. We don't give time to our loved ones. We don't give time to our family. We're always on our phones. That perspective, this film will change for you. And of course, it's a beautiful relationship between the grandparent and the grandchild. So I suggest you do go and see this and watch it and, take a loved one along. Take your mom along, take your dad along, take somebody that you're dating along, take your sibling along. And especially I would recommend you to take your grandparents along because having your grandparents around truly is a gift. And they will absolutely love this film. So my review of the film is 4 out of 5 stars for sure. And I do recommend that you see it. Please drop your comments below and let us know how you like the film. And this is Vaishali signing off, but then I will be back with more reviews on a regular basis. So please watch this space for all the reviews and all the lowdown on all the upcoming films that release in the future. Thank you so much for watching.